We do 4 and 1.
Okay, so 4 things of water.
4 things of water.
1, 2, 3, 4 things of water. Now we got to get the sugar out. I should have had that ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, sugar. 1 thing of sugar. And that's just about perfect. Okay. Now, lots of people think that you have to boil this or heat this up. You don't. All you have to do is make sure you get the sugar dissolved good. And that just takes a little bit of this stirring. So we'll stir until it's all dissolved. And try not
We're
to slosh
making a
it out.
mess.
This does get very sticky after it's dissolved. So try not to slosh it out like me, like I'm doing. That's not a good idea. Maybe if I do little stirs, it won't slosh out.
Maybe.
All right, so we're gonna use this new hummingbird feeder on Megan's window because I have one like it on my window and she likes it. And the hummingbirds will come right up to your window.
Maybe.
Oh, they will. Once they find it, they'll start coming. It might take a day or 2 for them to find it. And that's all there is to it.
Bye.